you log into your account. We are logging into this account, and quickly I want to put you through how to subscribe to our Genius Boat. So click on this three line if you are using a mobile phone, then come to subscription. This is subscription. Click on it. So then it will load. Let's wait for it. Yes, good. Actually, we have three boats: Brilliant Boat, Genius Boat, and Smart Boat. But the one that brings the most highest rate of return, ROI, is the Genius Boat. Is the most costly out of the three. So I recommend it for you. Guess what? If you are yet to register, I advise you click on the link below this video. Just click on it and get registered now. That your money in the bank, you can actually put it here, and you start receiving daily passive income. On this platform, we make two types of income: passive income and active income. Active income is when you decide to bring in new people, while passive income is when your money works for you here. So if you have been dreaming or asking the question, how can your money work for you? Bring it to Ipcapital, and let's guide you on how you can make your money to work hard for you. Do you know that your salary, you are not supposed to spend it? It's not meant for spending. Yes, that money in your savings account, you are not supposed to be spending it. That savings account, you're supposed to call it investment account. It's not meant for saving. It's not meant for spending. You're supposed to keep it till when you are able to get an opportunity, a reliable opportunity like this, where you can put the money into, then the money will work, multiply, and bring in more money for you. That is only when you can be financially free in life. Yes. Look at something. Just within few time that this company started, look at the number of funds that people have put into this system, the Genius Boat. The Genius Boat. This is huge. You can see it. So now, if you are also ready to get started with us, I want you to go for this. So we are going for Genius Boat, this one. So this is the one we are going for now. We are going for Genius Boat. So let me quickly show you how to do that. Click on subscribe here under Genius Boat. Click on it. So then it will take you to the next page. It will take you to the next page. Good. Here we are. Now, currently we have $200 in the account. So, and all you need to do is your $200, remove $99.9 from it. The remaining one, enter it here. So, I think we have, okay. Good. Now, the balance you are putting here, by the time you enter it, it must bring the total amount that you have in your wallet here. So we have $200 in the wallet. When we enter this one, then it brings the total here. So the next thing you need to do is to download the LPOA. You need to download it. Once you download it, then that is only when you can proceed. Click on it. So we are downloading it. So let it go and come back. Okay, we have it. Click the circle here, then confirm the subscription. All things being equal. Wow, successful. You have successfully subscribed. Can you see it? You have successfully subscribed.